Apple cider vinegar is a versatile item found in most kitchens that offers numerous benefits for health, beauty, household cleaning, and food preservation. These benefits include cleaning, hair care, food preservation, and enhancing skin function. Here are 5 surprising uses for apple cider vinegar. As a deodorant. Apple cider vinegar's antibacterial properties make it an effective deodorant. You can make a deodorant spray by mixing equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water. Additionally, you can mix apple cider vinegar with water and Epsom salt to make a foot scrub that eliminates unwanted foot odor. As an all-purpose cleaner. Apple cider vinegar's antibacterial properties make it a natural alternative to commercial cleaning products. Mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of water to make a natural all-purpose cleaner. For washing fruits and vegetables. Washing fruits and vegetables with apple cider vinegar can remove pesticide residue and dangerous bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. To wash fruits and vegetables with apple cider vinegar, simply mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. To clean your toothbrush. Apple cider vinegar's antibacterial properties make it an effective homemade cleaner for your toothbrush. Mix half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Soak your toothbrush in the mixture for 30 minutes, rinse it well with water, and use it as usual. As a dishwashing liquid. Apple cider vinegar can kill unwanted bacteria and keep your dishes clean. You can even put apple cider vinegar in your dishwasher. As you can see, apple cider vinegar is a versatile household item that can solve many problems. It is a cheap and easy way to maintain good health and hygiene. If you already knew about these uses, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to leave a like. And if you made it this far, post apple cider vinegar in the comments. We wish you good health.